Hello, this is Eric at FlexPVC, and I've got 15 seconds to show you why you want to subscribe to our channel. I'm going to give you 4 reasons. Number 1, our videos are for anyone with a swimming pool, hot tub, garden, farming, irrigation, aquarium, or any other project that uses PVC pipe and fittings. Number 2, on average, 40% of people who view just one of our videos subscribe. That is 10 times the YouTube average. Number 3, our videos are for solving real problems. For example, one video has 1 million views on how to fix a leak with no money, no cutting, and buying no parts. Another video exposes counterfeit products in the industry. Another video shows why Schedule 20 pipe is so hard to find. Another exposes the flaw in every single ball valve, regardless of who makes it or where it's made, and how to fix it. We stock parts and techniques no one else is telling you about. Our repair fittings page alone is worth a sub. Things like inside pipe fittings, pipe extenders, fitting extenders, custom manifolds, extra deep manifolds, extra deep couplings, telescoping couplings. Just give us a sub, watch one of our videos, check out our website. I think you'll find it's worth your time. Thanks for watching.